Up first this evening, more indications that a general election is nigh.
JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang says Jamaicans could hear the election date as early as next Tuesday in Parliament, a major departure from the traditional campaign platform announcement.
Now, he was speaking on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller this evening. Vashon Brown has more.
Speculation that election day is fast approaching, and with a Jamaica Labour Party Central Executive meeting scheduled for Sunday in Montego Bay, St. James, talks that an election announcement should be expected this weekend.
I think it's unlikely that you'd announce it on Sunday. It's the last Central Executive before the general election, so a lot of the important will be said and done, but I don't to be announced on Sunday.
So, could the election date be announced in Parliament on Tuesday? Dr. Chang says the Prime Minister has given a commitment to lift the states of emergency before any date is announced.
Meaning the date announced in Parliament?
You could do it, yeah. That's
well,
quite possible.
Since it's COVID, anything can happen. That sounds like something that's been a live discussion, though.
Yeah, you see, with COVID, we're not going to have the big meetings. So, everything is open for discussion because those big mass meetings at Harvestry and Parade Ground, South Parade and North Parade and some Sharp Square are things of the past, at least certainly for this election. So it's a whole, you want to have to go through the process and adopt new approach and new style in the process.
So it's possible then that we'd actually see a lifting of the SOE on Tuesday and the announcement of the election on Tuesday too?
Tuesday, well, both could go together or could still choose to lift it and give themselves a few days.
But despite the uncertainty about the election date, People's National Party General Secretary Julian Robinson says the PNP is ready.
Obviously, something is imminent, whether it is Sunday, whether it's Tuesday, whether it's a couple of days. We have to be ready, and we are ready. We don't know the date, but we're putting everything in place and our systems so that whenever the date is announced, we are out of the blocks. We have our candidates in place. They've been on the ground. They've been working. We've rolled out our communication strategy. We put up some billboards over the last couple of days, so we're ready.
The PNP is to have a meeting tomorrow at which all 63 candidates are to be unveiled. Dr. Chang says the Jamaica Labour Party largely has its candidates in place.
There is still one or two who might be questioning their status, and we have alternatives in the places there.
What does that mean, questioning their status?
Well, whether they begin to review based on emerging station or their life, that they might consider stepping back now, but there is alternative in the venue.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.